DIY tissue rose tutorial. Cut some piece of tissues into a circular shape. Use this colorful marker. I am going to color each tissue one by one. After coloring, dip tissue on water to help the color spread and blend. Let the tissue dry completely. This may take up to 1 day. Now take a small glass and start placing the dry tissue pieces one by one into glass. Add some glue to attach properly. Arrange the tissue pieces carefully to form the shape of a rose. The tissue rose is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.